Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of frugality and budgeting, as we explore the grocery habits of a single farm worker who's mastered the art of spending wisely. This rural dweller, who's been through a redundancy, has some seriously impressive budgeting skills that are worth learning from. So, let's get into it. First off, this individual's weekly income averages around $500 to $600 after tax, which is a tight budget, especially in the current job market. But here's the kicker: they manage to spend anywhere between $70 to $100 on groceries each week. That's a testament to their budgeting prowess. One of the key strategies they employ is making things from scratch. They are a self-proclaimed old-school cook, making their own meals, baking, and freezing everything. For instance, they buy 500 grams of meat and can get 4 to 7 meals out of it. This not only saves money, but also ensures they have control over the ingredients and quality of their food. Their approach to grocery shopping is also strategic. They stick to one supermarket, pack and save, and manage their spending by making the most of special offers and price cycles. For instance, they'll wait for toilet cleaner to go on special before buying it, as it's not an essential item. This mindset is a game changer for anyone looking to save a buck. The person also grows their own food, like lettuces, which they buy as seedlings from Mitre 10. This not only saves money, but also ensures they have fresh produce. They also make their own muesli bars, which are getting more expensive and less tasty in the supermarket. By making them from scratch, they can control the ingredients and save money. When it comes to essentials, they prioritize milk, fruit, and vegetables, as well as dairy products. They are stingy with their spending, making their own bread and yogurt, which is cheaper than buying it. They also make their own cheese, which lasts them 2 months, and they splurge on salon shampoo for their difficult hair, finding the best deals online. One interesting insight is their approach to luxuries. They only splurge on salon shampoo, which they find is worth the extra cost for their hair. They also occasionally buy alcohol, like wine, and enjoy entertaining friends with home-cooked meals. Interestingly, they don't see any supermarket items as unaffordable, except for fancy ice cream, which they buy regularly but in smaller quantities. What makes this story truly fascinating is the person's mindset. They find that making things from scratch not only saves money, but also makes the food better and tastier. This is a powerful lesson for anyone looking to save money and improve their culinary skills. So, if you're looking to cut costs, get those cookbooks out and start cooking from scratch. In conclusion, this single farm worker's budgeting skills are a testament to the power of frugality and self-sufficiency. By making things from scratch, shopping strategically, and growing their own food, they've managed to live well on a tight budget. So, the next time you're feeling like you're breaking the bank, remember this story and see if you can learn a thing or two from this rural budgeting pro.